What's good? It's your boy Coach T and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and I'm gonna be honest, bro. Like, if you've been watching this channel for a while, you've seen a lot on this channel. You've seen my very first video, which has officially been 10 months ago, man. Shout out to my 10-month anniversary on YouTube. We went through a lot last year. And one of those things that we went through as a family was the loss of our Frenchie, Milo. And I talked about that on a few different episodes and how it affected my family. But guys, I got some good news for y'all today, man. I got some really, really good news for y'all. After months of going through it and just really thinking about what was next for our family, we finally made the decision to get a new puppy, man. We got a new puppy, man. Check him out. What y'all think, man? Yo, man, his name, look at him. He cute, ain't he, man? He is a mini golden doodle. Actually an apricot color. You see that? Apricot. His name is Monty. He is officially, it'll be 9 weeks when? Tomorrow, babe? Tomorrow, man. So we finally got us a new puppy, man. It was a tough decision, you know? And I'm gonna let him get down. Y'all take one more good look at him. He cute, ain't he? Oh, man. Got it right in my mouth. Yeah, man. So y'all seen Monty, gang. Y'all seen a new part of the family. You know, it's the Mud Talk family, bro. I gotta share with y'all things that are going on with my family. Our French Bulldog was one of our, like, I don't know, man. He was a super special part of our family. I never understood what it felt like to lose a dog. So when we lost him, I didn't know what to expect from my wife. I didn't know what to expect from my daughter, but it definitely came in waves, and it took us a while to heal from that, and we're still healing, you know? And getting a new dog doesn't necessarily replace that, but it is something I feel like the family wanted. My wife really wanted it. My daughter really wanted it. So, hey, man, about $3,000 later, we end up with a new dog, you know what I'm saying? We end up with a new dog. So, hey, man, neither here nor there. Just giving y'all an update, but let's get into why y'all really here today. Got the box right here for you, man. You know, this box is pretty blank, you know what I'm saying? But y'all know what's inside this box, man. So we ain't even finna play around. We're not gonna play around, gang. I'm gonna make sure that I be careful when I take this off, cause I'm pretty cool with just regular tape on the box. It ain't that deep. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Boom. Whoop, whoop. And man, what do we have here? What do we have here? Whew, hold on. Y'all see it, man. Y'all know what type of box this is, man. Stop playing around. All right, so we're gonna open the box. But before we do that, let's read what's inside the box, right? We gotta do that. All right, so we got the Air Jordan 4 Retro. The colors are black, fire, red, cement, gray. Black and fire red, cement, gray. I said that right. All right, and this is a men's size 8, women's 9.5. This is wifey's personal pair right here. We're gonna get into why I'm reviewing her shoe and not mine in a little bit. You seen the flight on top of the box. We don't need to explain too much, man. You seen it. That's a red top and the inside of the box right there. Boom. You got the spackle paper right there that comes in the Jordan 4. But man, oh man. Yo, I'm low-key pissed. Like, I'm reviewing this shoe because I love y'all, man. Y'all my squad, y'all my family, y'all rock with me, and I appreciate y'all. But I'm pissed opening this shoe right now. Smells so good, smells so clean. Take a look at that bad boy, man. Man. So we got the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, man. And I'm gonna be honest, man, this joint is so beautiful in my hand right now. Can't you see yourself with this and this hoodie? As a matter of fact, this is exactly how I'm gonna wear it, gang. And if you want a hoodie like this, go to rawmellonclothing.com. Link is in the description, man. You know what I'm saying? And get you one of these, man. I try to tell people there ain't no low ball on this hoodie though. Cause this is 500 GSM, high quality, puff print, front and back. And yeah, I dropped a lot to get these made, invested a lot, man. So shout out to everybody that copped theirs. I think most of the extra larges are gone. Shout out to the women that's been copping the smalls. It's about to be over with for this. So if you're looking to get you a good hoodie, good crop hoodie with a dope design 101, go to rawmellonclothing.com. Link is in the description. But This Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined is so fire, bro. It is so fire. Where do we begin? Where do we begin? The leather quality is so smooth and just immaculate. I would say that my favorite feature on this shoe, outside of the pops of red that I like, I feel like it's just enough red on this shoe, is this black hang tag and the Nike Air that's on the back. That's just beautiful. And I like the fact that the sock liner is gray, man. That is so dope, man. Like, this shoe is built to last. It is a shoe that is built for you to have for a long time and to wear for a long time. This is a phenomenal, phenomenal shoe. Why was I upset in the beginning when I said I was upset? I'm about to tell y'all now. So on the day that these were released, of course I had entered a bunch of different raffles. I was pretty confident that I was gonna hit on this shoe for my size. And I was so confident that I told my wife when she entered to not enter for my size, to enter for her size. Because I'm for sure, either I was gonna hit on Hibbit, or I was gonna hit on another raffle, or I was, last resort, I was gonna hit on the sneakers app. And even then, I say, man, the resale price, even though I did not wanna have to pay that if I really wanted the shoe, I could just get it on the resale market. Now, that cocky confidence came to bite me, man, because did I hit on Hibbit? No. Did I hit on the sneakers app? No. And right when I thought I was gonna be able to get them joints for a good price on the aftermarket, the price went up for a size 12, gang. So like, as it stands right now, my pair is not here yet. And looking at this shoe in hand, it makes me pissed because I really just wanna put it on, like right now. I just really just wanna wear it right now with the hoodie I got on, but my feet ain't this little, gang. I can't wear these. Tell me, did you hit it for retail on the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined? If you did, what sneaker store did you hit with? Was it Hibbit? Was it Foot Locker? Was it JD Sports? I heard a lot about people that did hit on a lot of different apps, got their orders canceled, so that sucks too, man. To think that you hit for retail and find out through an email that your order was canceled and you not really getting them, now you just like me. You gotta go out here and try to find them. But wifey got them though. And I told her, if she don't wear this shoe, we legit gonna fall out. And I ain't talking about like fall out on some like husband, wife, like drama stuff, but we gonna fall out for real because this shoe too hard. Like, she done had some hard shoes. I mean, from where do I start, bruh? You name it. She done had so many. I don't even know where to start, but that she don't wear. I told her she gotta wear these for sure. Let's get into what I like to call the quality control segment of this video. We're gonna grab the second shoe and we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison to see, how well did Nike do on this specific pair that I hit on. Thanks, babe, I appreciate that. And as we got the second shoe in hand, I am looking at it and I'm looking at y'all. And I'm looking at the shoe and I'm looking at y'all. But as I look at the shoe, man, it's hurting me so much because this shoe looks so good. Oh my God. All right, enough. All right, the shoe looks immaculate. I'm looking at the leather. A lot of people were saying that the toe box was a bit different than the last pair or the OG pair. That the toe box is actually more closer to the original Air Jordan 4 Bred release back in the day. And after looking at the toe box, it does look a little different, but unless you're a true sneakerhead or sneaker connoisseur or sneaker collector, I don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference just by looking at it. Those black laces are fire, gang. Like, it's just everything about this shoe. That neck going across it. This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. And it's gonna be an easy shoe for you to keep up. But as far as any glue stains, stitching issues, any scratch scuffs or anything like that, I don't see anything on this shoe. This is a beautiful shoe. Very beautiful, man. Excellent job, Mike. So I gotta give you my rating on this shoe before we get out of here, man. Even though I don't have this shoe yet, and I said yet, I gotta get this shoe a rating. I gotta take my feelings out of it. The fact that I don't have them. How many times have I mentioned that in this video? Y'all can tell I'm really hurt, like for real. Like, I'm hurt. Look at my eyes. That's pain, you see. Pain, okay? But I'm happy for my wife. Did my smile look legit? Nah, I'm happy for her though, for real though. I gotta get this shoe a rating before I get out of here. I'm gonna tell you what, man, it lived up to the hype. It lived up to the hype. I just gave a high rating on one of my recent reviews for the Kobe Proto. And I know that everybody told me that I said that wrong, okay? And I appreciate everybody who said something on TikTok. I said it wrong. I told y'all in 2024, more in 24, I'm living in my truth. I made a mistake pronouncing the word. Okay, whatever. I'm not taking the video down, gang. I'm keeping it 100. I'm not gonna be fake. All right. School English wasn't my favorite subject. It wasn't even my best subject for real. So it is what it is though. Y'all know what I meant, okay? But the rating on the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, man, we're going 9.5 out of 10, gang. 9.5 out of 10, man. This is the highest rating. Not only this year for 2024, but ever on the channel. 9.5 out of 10 for the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Tell me if you think that's too high in the comment section. Tell me if you think that's too low in the comment section below. But as always, man, you know the saying. Love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.